Michael. So, hi sir, welcome dito po sa Urban Deca Homes community. And yun, for you to know lang guys, si Sir Michael po is, siya po yung latest clients po natin na na-approve under Pag-ibig Financing. Yan. So, nag-reserve siya noong month of November 2023 pa. So, March na ngayon. So, almost 4 months yung process ng pag-ibig sa kanya. So, tanungin natin si Sir kung ano yung naging problema. Bakit inabot ng 4 months yung process?
The entire process was actually quick sa end ni Ma'am Mitch. However, the problem happened during the employment approval with Pag-ibig through my employer. What happened is ilang beses na decline ng Pag-ibig kasi hindi siya na-approve ng employer ko for some reasons. So,
Isa yun sa mga sinasabi ko sa mga nagiging clients ko na once after makapag-reserve ng unit, expect ng HR or i-advise na yung HR na magpe-message si Pag-ibig para sa CI. So, yung CI na yon is magtatanong lang naman si Pag-ibig kung totoo na employed si client dun sa company na yon. So, ang nangyari kasi kay sir, yun, na-spam nung na-spam. Tapos, sa dami din siguro nang nag-i-email dun sa employer nila or dun sa HR, natatabunan na siya. So, hindi siya nakikita. So, yun. Isa yun sa main reason kung bakit natatagalan yung pag-a-approve under Pag-ibig. Yan. And yun. Moving forward, ano yung nag-push through sa inyo, sir, na makapag-invest or kumuha ng sarili ng condo?
Kasi one of the reasons na din is I have been renting for the past 5 years and I realized na I'm not growing any younger, therefore I need to get some investment for myself, realizing na yung binabayad ko sa rent before is something that they could have used to pay for this rent-to-own condo to begin with.
Yan. Maganda yung mindset na, sir, na imbes na mag-rent siya ng mag-rent, kasi yung binabayad niya monthly while renting is napupunta lang doon sa landlord or doon sa may-ari ng bahay na nirerentahan niya. Unlike kasi kapag ka nag-rent to own ka na or kumuha ka na ng sarili mong property, kahit nagbabayad ka monthly, mapupunta sa iyo yung binabayaran mong unit in the long run. Yan. Upon viewing, sir, kumusta naman yung project natin dito sa Manila?
I can see na very secure naman yung community. If I were to rate it, I'd give it a 10 out of 10.
Yan, hindi mo na, sir. So, ayun, kahit kaka-move in pa lang ni sir, binigyan niya na si Urban Deca Homes Manila ng 10. 10 star. Yan. Yun. Upon reservation, sir, ano nga pala, sir, yung mga hiningi ko sa yung requirements, basic requirements na sinubmit nyo po upon reservation?
Upon reservation, of course, yung presensya ko, valid IDs,
Yung kaganda.
and then yung birth certificate since hindi ako married. Okay. And then certificate of employment, payslip, those were the things that she asked from me.
Yes, so yun. Basically, super basic lang ng requirements na kakailanganin natin dito kapag ka nag-reserve ka ng unit. So, mas madali siyang ma-request, like CUEC or yung payslip kasi binibigay naman siya every month or every 15 or 30 of the month. So, yung CUEC, may mga company na 1 week lang is nabibigay na or napoprovide naman na yung CUEC na kinakailangan. Yan. Moving forward, yan. Marami kasi, sir, nagtatanong kung legit po ba na 10K lang yung cash out dito para makapag-reserve ng unit.
100% legit. 10K lang yung na-cash out ko the moment I reserve.
So, yun guys ha, legit tayo dito ha, hindi tayo scam. Yan. Wala si sir binayaran down payment. So, for only 10,000 pesos, magkakaroon ka na ng sarili mong condo unit. Kagaya ni Sir Michael. Yan. After reservation, sir, while waiting sa process ng housing loan nyo, may iba ka pa po bang binayaran aside dun sa 10,000 pesos na binayad mo upon reservation?
Wala na, syempre patience. Because like what we've mentioned earlier, natagalan yung pag-approve, pero yun lang yung, that's what it cost me.
So, yun guys. No hidden charges tayo dito sa Urban Deca Homes. So, ito na moment of truth. As part of, sa part ko naman sir bilang agent nyo, kumusta naman sir yung pag-i-entertain ko or pag-a-assist ko po sa inyo from inquiries to hanggang sa nag-reserve, nag-comply, nag-process tayo. So, yun. Kumusta naman, sir?
If I were to give her a rating out of 10, I'd give her 15. For me, she went above and beyond in assisting me. Mula sa pag-inquire pa lang through Facebook Messenger hanggang sa makapag-move in ako, she's been a great help. I highly recommend her. In fact, I'm recommending her to my friends for them to get their own units.
Grabe naman yung meeting ko, sir. Abot tenga.
Thank you sir kasi kahit papano na-appreciate niyo po lahat ng efforts ko sa pag-assist ko po sa inyo throughout the process. Bilang agent po kasi, we are not just making a money, we build a character din while we're helping our clients to get their future home. Sabi nga nila, to give real service, you must add something which cannot be bought or measured with money, and that is sincerity and integrity.
Thank you very much, Sir Michael. Yan. Thank you sa pagtitiwala and sana more clients and more referral. Magiging referral partners ko siya kasi nare-refer niya ako. Yan. Thank you!